Nag-order tayo sa Arabonites. Ayan, kebab. So, pinikap lang natin siya sa labas. Let's try Arabonites. So, ito yung in-order natin. Yung Arabonites yan. Order tayo ng chicken kebab, yung salad, tsaka yung sauce nila. Yun. Total natin parang 760. And thank you Dayan for the lunch. Open natin. Bakit ang we have here yung kanilang chicken kebab. This is good for 2 to 3 daw, pero parang 4 to 5 na makakain. Ang dami. Grab that. Tapos, meron tayo dito. Ito yung pita bread. Makakilog lang. I'll just get a plate with the pita bread. Ating cold plate. For the pita bread. Oh, this is the tawag ito. Arabo salad. This is the salad. Cucumber and onions. Nato, amoy, mabango. Arabo salad. We also have, of course, yung mga condiments nila. Ito yung ating hummus. Hummus by hummus. That's why hummus. And then, lastly, ang ating pita bread. Ordered 3 pieces of pita bread. Here. Ay, kumakan ko. Sorry. I'll just get that for you. So, should I try? So here's the close-up look ng ating in-order sa Arabonites sa Facebook. So they have your rice, chicken kebab pala to. Good for 2 to 3. It's only 450 or 400 pesos. Also have pita bread with hummus, tapos salad. Yeah. Hi Arabonites. So receive ko na yung in-order kong chicken kebab, hummus with pita bread, tsaka salad, and then yung sauces natin. Thank you. Titikman na natin. Hi, titikman muna natin yung hummus. This is pita bread. Sasaw natin siya sa hummus. Hummus is good. Titikman naman natin yung arabo salad. This is just cucumber, onions, and then tomatoes. Bye! Maanghang. Masarap. Good. And then, tikman natin yung main course, yung chicken kebab. Ayan. With the rice. Wala mo ng sauce. Tikman naman natin with sauce. Walang rice. With sauce ng basta kebab. Chicken kebab with sauce. Sarap. And then, of course, right. Mm. Guys, it's beef kebab pala, hindi chicken. And yung hummus, hindi pa siya hummus, hummus. Yun lang. Thank you. Till my next video. Bye!